I'm hosting a workshop called Using a CRM to Preserve Human Touch in the Digital Age. Some people are old school and tell me they'd rather not use technology and focus more on creating business relationships. Well, my response is you could actually use technology to streamline back-end operations and processes, therefore freeing up more time for you to actually create and foster more genuine relationships through different forms of media such as phone call, email, texting, Zoom meetings, and attending more networking events. And some people say they don't have enough time to stay engaged with their networking partners. Well, I'll show you how to use a CRM to streamline this process, become an effective and efficient power networker while maintaining the essential human element in your interactions while still being productive in your business. To learn more about my workshop called Using a CRM to Preserve Human Touch in the Digital Age, browse my webpage down below and see all the different testimonials about me being a power networker, but I always strive to be a better power networker than I was the day before. I definitely look forward to seeing you at the workshop, so register now so I could teach you how to be an effective and efficient power networker. My name is Brandon Drake, aka the Healthy Data Guy, because I believe in using data to make informative health decisions.